couldn't see you, but I can still hear you out there. We may have to let the smoke clear just a little bit before we get our next contestant up here. What do you think, Bryce? Is it going to have to clear a little bit? And now there are no more mosquitoes in the car show. All right, anytime you can see to get up here, I'm going to need my next contestant up here.
Oh, he left already?
That's pretty impressive on that S10, I think.
Yeah, look at all that rubber. I just new set of tires on Monday.
All right, you know the rules, 10 seconds, hold the brake, I'll start you and I'll stop you, all right? Anytime. All right, let's hear it for him.
The other one was better, wasn't it?
All right, 10 seconds on the clock. And go. And shut her off. All right, let's hear it for him. It's pretty impressive. Try to keep him straight, though. I don't want to see anything happening out here, all right? So far, I think he's leading the crowd, though.
Oh, the green truck.
You like the green truck better?
Yeah!
All right, I guess I'm wrong. That S10's leading the pack. I think I see last year's champion coming around here. This is a pretty hairy Oldsmobile here. All right, bring her up here and I'll give you 10 seconds on the clock. Hold her nice and straight, please. Anytime. All right, let's hear it for that Oldsmobile. Woo! That's last year's champion right there.
You might have it again.
I don't know, what do you think's better, the S10 or that Olds?
Olds.
I'm kind of hearing half and half. What do you think of the S10? What do you think of the Oldsmobile?
Yeah!
I think the S10's actually holding on to it.
Ooh, we gotta have a Hemi in here. Yeah, brand new.
All right, Renee, we went over everything. You ready to go? 10 seconds on the clock and go. Those are expensive tires she's building, folks. Give her a hand for that. What do y'all think of that?
Yes, 10 better.
Those are not cheap tires, are they, Skinny, to just melt right off?
Nope.
You got to give her a round of applause just for that. Here comes a Kia.
Them tires are $500 a piece.
All right, you know the rules. 10 seconds when I tell you, then stop. All right? Anytime. I'm sorry, but I'm going to have to disqualify you because I said no rolling it. You know, I hate to say it. Give him a round of applause anyway.
No! The brakes are bad. Exactly.
Like I said, I just want to keep it safe down here and keep doing this because I know everybody really loves this contest. Am I right?